Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys Infinix phone setting guys, and today video title guys, take a screenshot with three finger guys. How can we use in Infinix phone device today friends? I will show you. I will tell you guys. So guys, first of all, go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon and like the video. Friends, now let's see how can we use guys three finger to take a screenshot in Infinix phone device. So first of all guys, we will have to on guys our Infinix phone guys phone setting guys. So guys, we will on our phone setting. After on phone setting guys, you can see on Infinix phone guys settings. So guys, you can see guys your Infinix phone guys phone this special function guys, this we will tap here guys. Click on this action setting guys, tap here, and third option guys, you can see your three finger, and third option we will tap here. Then three finger is off, so guys you can on from here. So guys, now we can use guys this three finger to take a screenshot in our Infinix phone device. How to use? Suppose guys you won't get the screenshot in your Infinix phone device. Suppose guys I want to take this screenshot, so I will take from here guys three finger to take a screenshot. So like that guys, you can set guys your guys you can on guys your three finger to take a screenshot setting, and you can use it in your Infinix phone device. So bye guys.